Stop scrolling. If you yawn after this video, it's not an accident. Yawning is not just about sleep. Your brain yawns when it's overheating or overloaded. Think of your brain like a laptop. When it gets hot, it slows down. A yawn pulls in cool air, stretches your jaw, and increases blood flow to the brain, literally helping your brain stay sharp. Now here's the creepy part. Yawning is contagious because of empathy. Your brain automatically copies people around you to stay socially connected. Fun fact, people who yawn more easily often score higher on empathy tests. So if you're yawning right now, congratulations, your brain just ran a system update.